Start. The law relating to the requirement of sanction to entertain and oblique or take cognizance of an offence allegedly committed by a police officer under section 197 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, read with section 170 of the Karnataka Police Act, is well settled by this court inter alia by its decisions referred to above. Stop para. Sanction of the government to prosecute a police officer for any act related to the discharge of an official duty is imperative to protect the police officer from facing harassive, retaliatory, revengeful, and frivolous proceedings. Stop. The requirement of sanction from the government to prosecute would give an upright police officer the confidence to discharge his official duties efficiently without fear of vindictive retaliation by initiation of criminal action from which he would be protected under section 197 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, read with section 170 of the Karnataka Police Act. Stop. At the same time, if the policeman has committed a wrong which constitutes a criminal offence and renders him liable for prosecution, he can be prosecuted with sanction from the appropriate government. Stop para. Every offence committed by a police officer does not attract section 197 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, read with section 170 of the Karnataka Police Act. Stop. The protection given under section 197 of the Criminal Procedure Code, read with section 170 of the Karnataka Police Act, has its limitations. Stop. The protection is available only when the alleged act done by the public servant is reasonably connected with the discharge of his official duty, and official duty is not merely a cloak for the objectionable act. Stop para. An offence committed entirely outside the scope of the duty of the police officer would certainly not require sanction. Stop. To cite an example, a policeman assaulting a domestic help or indulging in domestic violence would certainly not be entitled to protection. Stop. However, if an act is connected to the discharge of official duty of investigation of a recorded criminal case, the act is certainly under color of duty, no matter how illegal the act may be. Stop para. If in doing an official duty, a policeman has acted in excess of duty, but there is a reasonable connection between the act and the performance of the official duty, the fact that the alleged act is in excess of duty will not be ground enough to deprive the policeman of the protection of the government sanction for initiation of criminal action against him. Stop para. The language and tenor of section 197 of the Code of Criminal Procedure and section 170 of the Karnataka Police Act makes it absolutely clear that sanction is required not only for the acts done in discharge of official duty, comma, it is also required for an act purported to be done in discharge of official duty and oblique or act done under color of or in excess of such duty or authority. Stop para. To decide whether sanction is necessary, the test is whether the act is totally unconnected with official duty or whether there is reasonable connection with the official duty. Stop. In the case of an act of a policeman or any other public servant unconnected with the official duty, there can be no question of sanction. Stop. However, if the act alleged against the policeman is reasonably connected with discharge of his official duty, comma, it does not matter if the policeman has exceeded the scope of his powers and oblique are acted beyond the four corners of law.